An Aurora family says they are caught up in a conflict between their homeowners association and a new state law. They just bought a home with a basement, expecting to rent it out.
But their realtor reached out to us saying the HOA will not let them, despite a new state law appearing to say that's allowed. Denver 7 investigates. Natalie Chuck is working to get some clarity for them and any other homeowners hoping to supplement their income.
From the outside,
So we're in the conservatory
a house can be nice,
in a beautiful home that my clients just bought a few months ago.
but it's what's inside that makes a home.
My clients were most interested in buying this property because of the income potential.
Real estate agent Maliti Berhanameskal is talking about the potential of renting out what's known as an accessory dwelling unit, or ADU.
Down the stairs is another door that takes you into the tenant's property.
The finished basement with a separate entrance was already built in this Aurora home when Haywan Casa and her family moved in.
We're not looking to build something. The space is already here. So we want to make the most of it.
Unfortunately, once they listed the property for rent, the HOA sent a letter saying that that was in violation of the rules and regulations, I guess, of the HOA.
This letter they got from the Conservatory Homeowners Association back in August was a confusing one because Colorado passed this law last year. In a nutshell, it means ADUs can be built and rented out in most cities, including Aurora. The bill clearly states accessory dwelling units generate rental income to help homeowners cover mortgage payments or other costs. But the HOA is saying that's not permitted in the conservatory.
It's silly to say you can have an ADU, but you can't rent it.
State Senator Judy Amabile was one of the bill's prime sponsors.
We specifically included HOAs in the bill because we felt like it was really unfair to eliminate a whole bunch of homeowners from this plan.
In October, the HOA warned the Casa family they could be issued a $200 fine with the potential for more.
Why did you come to us with what's going on here?
Someone has to sort of stand up to that and ask questions, and who better than you all?
We asked the HOA for an interview and pointed out this change in law. Instead, they sent us a statement saying in part, the covenants prohibit owners and/or investors from renting or leasing less than the entire home in order to preserve the nature and character of the community.
I think there's some fear that people have that it will change the character of their neighborhood. It really doesn't have that impact.
What happens next if HOAs are out there saying, nope, you're not allowed to rent these out, despite what the law says?
Well, I don't know exactly what that looks like, but I mean, at some point, I imagine that people will start to sue.
Enjoy all the perks of the conservatory community.
Now, the Casa family is seeking an attorney for help.
It would be disappointing if we wouldn't be able to rent out the space just because, again, it altered so much of our decision making.
Trying to take advantage of the house they now call home.
Because it is about making the most of the space that you already have.
For Denver 7 Investigates, I'm Natalie Chuck.